So I'm about to show you my favorite trick of going from day hair, which this is, to night hair. It's the Amika Dry Shampoo. For me, this was sent to me from the brand, but as always, I always get my honest review. And as you can see, my hair has been up all day in a bun, but it's a little greasy, and for me, I really want to wear it down and curly. So I'm just actually put some dry shampoo. It's actually going to help give some volume in this area, and we're going to see how it goes. So the why I love the Amika, the smell is fantastic. I love to lift up a little bit here and actually get the underside. And as you can see, there's no white cast with it. I do have like medium brown hair. I was at one point a blonde, but as you get older, you know your hair. But, so as you can see, even with just a little bit in this area, you can already see it dispersing. I love to kind of shimmy this through, and I'll give it a few minutes to work. So I'll actually put this in and then come back in like 10 minutes and really kind of fix the hair and do the rest of it. So for me, that this is really easy to do. I also love to do it if you don't want to wash your hair necessarily the night before, is to do your hair before you go to bed. Spray a little dry shampoo, and then you'll actually make your hair super fresh. For me, I also love this too because it'll add some volume, which in this day and age, everyone wants volume. But that's why I love the Amika Dry Shampoo. As you can see, my hair is looking a million times cleaner. And it just looks nice and refreshed.